Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the basics fast. Set your site language, country, and primary domain, and confirm SSL is active so search engines can crawl securely. Next, install the Wix SEO Wiz and connect Google Search Console and Analytics. This lets you watch indexing and traffic. Finally, plan keywords immediately. Pick 3 to 5 primary phrases and 6 to 10 long-tail keywords. Then map them to specific pages, so every URL has a clear intent and purpose. Once done with setup, focus on on-page precision and structure. Optimize titles to about 50 to 60 characters, craft meta descriptions that compel clicks, and use H1s with your main keyword. Make sure each page targets one clear topic. Add structured data through Wix's SEO tools for products, articles, and events so rich results can appear. Also, speed matters. Compress images, enable Wix caching, and remove or replace heavy apps so pages load faster and user signals improve. Finish by submitting your sitemap to Google Search Console and monitoring index coverage and crawl errors, especially during the first week. You want to see pages indexed. Run weekly content audits to update thin pages, add internal links, and remove or canonicalize duplicates so authority consolidates. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Check robots. TXT for accidental blocks. Verify canonical tags for unwanted self-canonicalization. And confirm mobile indexing is healthy. Most visibility problems stem from one of these issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.